How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how I made this something like Afro jazz type beat, South African jazz, something like a little bit gospel kind of vibe. Okay, so let me play the beat first and I will explain how I made this beat. Okay. Okay, nice beat. So let's go to the tutorial. The first thing, the BPM, I'm using 90. Okay, so the first instrument I'm using is this. I'm trying to mimic something like live, something like we are playing with a band. Okay, that's why I'm using this instrument, real instruments. Okay, so the first one of the list, I'm using this. What's this? I'm using Span 2, and this is the default preset. I think is a pad. Let's listen or let's see how it sounds. I'm using these chords. Let me show you the chords I'm using. F sharp, then D, sorry, not D, B. Then I went to, what's this? It is C sharp, then back to F. Okay, no, it's not back to F, just 3 chords. Okay, F sharp, B, and C sharp. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. Okay, so the next instrument I'm using again Span 2. This time I'm using this one natural piano, but the same chord progressions. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, I didn't mess with the velocity. Oh, it's Alt R. Okay, can leave like this. Let's listen again. Okay, the next one I'm using again Span 2. This time I'm using this preset. Shiny Full, I think is a organ. Okay, this see how it sounds. Okay. Okay, the next one I'm using this guitar AS player. I'm using this Blue Rhythms, Good Times lead. I like this guitar. How this guitar sound. Let's see how it sounds. Using again the same chord progression. Okay. Okay, very nice. The next one I'm using this, what's this? tenor sax section. Okay, let's see how it sounds. I've played this melody. Okay, then the next one, I'm using this. What's this? Again, spend 2, but the preset Romy Kitty. Okay, I'm playing this. Okay, just snares, and the last one clap. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm using these tracks just for the kick. I like how this kick sounds, so I'm using the key tree just for the kick. Okay, so the next one, again, spend 2. Now using this again, Room Kitty for the hi-hat, something like that. Okay, just hi-hats and the snares. Okay, the next one I'm using this. What's this? Live drums. I think this I'm using this just for the drum fills. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, of course. Just to make a little snare rolls. Okay. Then last one, but not least. Okay. This modo bass just for the bass. Okay. I'm using the default preset. I've played this groove. Oh, sorry. Inizia con giallo. Hey, eyeball. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me play all the instruments. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next tutorial. By the end of this video, by the end of this bit, the video is also ending. Peace.